In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up TradeZero Pro. Now, the first thing you want to do here, once you're inside your client portal, you want to click on the Trade button up top, and then you want to click on Download Zero Pro here at the bottom. Now, once you do this here, it's going to take you to Downloads, and here you want to click on Pro, and then you want to select the build you want to download. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this one because it's the latest one. I'm going to click on the Download button, and this is going to start downloading this installer. Now, I'm going to, of course, click on it whenever that downloads. So there we go. This should be right now. Okay, it downloaded. You want to open this up, and then it's going to open up this setup wizard where you want to click on next. And then again, of course, you want to click on whatever you want to do with it. So for me, I have installed it already, so I don't have to do it again. But of course, for you, it's basically going to look like something like this. So you're going to keep on clicking next and then install at the very, of course, end of the setup. And when you do that, it's going to take a few seconds to actually install. And whenever that's done, you'll be able to open it up on your computer. So Zero Pro, as you can see, search it up. There we go. It's going to open up on your computer here. It's going to take a few seconds to run up everything. And there we go. So I can just pull it up here from my second monitor. There we go. And as you can see, this is now the Zero Pro. So TradeZero Pro. And you can then just sign in. You can do your client connection over here with your password and username, of course. And then you can click on the connect button and you can start using the TradeZero Pro in here. So that's how you set it up. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.